Looking to tone your midsection and boost skin firmness effortlessly? In this video, we reveal the top 5 best women belly vacuum massagers in 2025, trusted for their slimming effects, deep tissue benefits, and user-friendly design. Stay tuned till the end to discover our top expert recommended pick. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The HYAKO F1 Handheld Deep Tissue Massager might just be your ultimate relief companion. Stay tuned to see how this tool can transform your recovery and relaxation routine. 1. Forehead Orbital Motion. The HYAKO F1 uses 4 heads that rotate in harmony to deeply penetrate muscles, mimicking a real therapist's hands, perfect for easing chronic tension. 2. Portable and lightweight. Its ergonomic and lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, whether you're traveling or relaxing at home. 3. Relieves shoulder and back tension. Designed specifically for shoulders and back, it targets tension points fast, making post-workout or desk job recovery a breeze. 4. Ideal for myofascial release. Breaks down tight muscle fascia, boosts flexibility, and supports better blood flow, excellent for athletes or daily stress relief. 5. Quiet and safe operation. Despite its power, it's surprisingly quiet and user-friendly, ideal for consistent use without disturbing your peace. Conclusion. Experience pro-level relief in your own hands. The HYAKO F1 delivers deep, effective results, anytime, anywhere. Number 4. This powerful Handheld-Cellulite massager is a must-have. Stay with us as we explore how it transforms your daily self-care into a spa-like experience. 1. For massage wand attachments. Each attachment targets a specific area: thighs, arms, waist, and back, giving you a complete body treatment in minutes. 2. Reduces cellulite effectively. With consistent use, it helps reduce the appearance of cellulite by improving circulation and breaking down fatty deposits. 3. Tones and sculpts your body. It's not just for massage, this tool works like a body shaper, tightening skin and improving muscle tone. 4. Ergonomic and easy to use. Its lightweight design and user-friendly grip make it easy to handle during daily use, even for beginners. 5. Salon results at home. Enjoy powerful, relaxing massages without leaving home, no appointments needed. Conclusion. For women who want visible results and convenience, this sculpting massager is a beauty game-changer. Try it out today. Number 3. The Handheld-Cellulite Massager Cupping Kit offers a spa-like experience at home. Let's explore how this amazing device helps reduce cellulite and improve circulation. Don't miss what it can do. 12 suction modes. This massager features 12 adjustable suction modes, giving you complete control. Whether you prefer a gentle or deep massage, it adapts to your comfort level while targeting cellulite effectively. Rechargeable and cordless. No more messy wires. It's fully rechargeable and cordless, making it perfect for on-the-go use. One full charge powers multiple sessions for convenience and freedom. Massage therapy and cupping in one. Combining ancient cupping techniques with modern massage therapy, this device enhances blood flow, reduces muscle tension, and promotes smoother, firmer skin over time. Multiple attachments. It includes interchangeable heads for different body areas, from arms to thighs. Customization is effortless, ensuring optimal results on every use. Conclusion. If you're serious about body care and relaxation, this powerful yet portable cellulite massager is a must-try. Check it out and feel the transformation. Number 2. The Multifunctional Beauty Machine uses advanced radio frequency to target cellulite and improve skin texture. Stick around, you'll be amazed at what this powerful little device can do for your body. Radio frequency technology. This device uses safe and effective radio frequency waves to penetrate deep into the skin, boosting collagen and reducing the appearance of cellulite quickly and visibly. Multifunctional use. It's more than just a cellulite reducer. Use it for facial toning, body sculpting, and massaging, making it the perfect all-in-one skincare tool for women who love self-care. Visible results. You'll notice smoother, firmer skin with consistent use. It's designed to provide a temporary reduction in cellulite, making your skin look toned and refreshed. Comfortable and safe. Lightweight and user-friendly, it's completely non-invasive and gentle on all skin types. Ideal for daily use without discomfort or irritation. Conclusion. Transform your skincare routine today with this powerful, professional-grade beauty device. Your body will thank you. Number 1. This cordless cellulite massager paired with essential oil-infused massage oil is a game-changer. Stick around to discover how this combo can transform your skin. Cordless and portable. No cords, no hassle. This massager is fully portable, perfect for use anytime, anywhere. Whether you're relaxing or multitasking, it fits easily into your daily routine. Powerful sculpting action. Its deep tissue vibrations help break down stubborn fat deposits on the belly, thighs, arms, and legs, leaving your skin feeling tighter and more toned. Essential oil-infused massage oil. The included massage oil is enriched with natural essential oils, boosting circulation, softening skin, and enhancing results with every use. Cavitation technology. Using low-frequency cavitation, this device helps reduce the appearance of cellulite and promotes smoother skin over time. Conclusion. For a spa-like experience and real results at home, this cellulite massager and oil duo is a must-have. Give your body the care it deserves. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Airfins Picks family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.